What is Iota Miota? Due to the growing popularity of significant cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, we often do not pay attention to other digital assets. Such an example is the Iota cryptocurrency. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers about the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what the Iota altcoin is, how it works, and whether or not it is a good investment choice. So be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Iota is a different kind of cryptocurrency. Unlike competitors, Iota doesn't utilize blockchain technology to accomplish its tasks. Instead, the platform relies on various Internet of Things applications. This platform has unmatched scalability and endless use cases in the market. Iota is a smart contract platform that has fundamentally redesigned distributed ledger technology. Its innovative quantum-secure protocol, Tangle, generates unique new features such as zero transaction fees, infinite scalability, fast transactions, secure data transfer, and many others. This digital asset offers users the advantage of fixed money at no inflationary cost. The Iota project was launched back in 2016. It is specially designed to process and confirm online transactions between devices and machines connected to the internet. In other words, it stores and executes online transactions in the IoT ecosystem. The project aims to support the Internet of Things, the machine economy, and the upcoming industrial revolution. It is important to note that Iota, unlike most cryptocurrencies, does not work with blockchain. Notably, the co-founders of the Iota project, Sergey Ivancheglo, Sergey Popov, David Sonstibo, and Dominic Shiner, didn't initially plan to host a cryptocurrency or even a decentralized network for that matter. Instead, Iota started as an IoT hardware chip manufacturer. These systems could record and execute transactions between machines and devices within the Internet of Things ecosystem. Iota has, unlike blockchain-based cryptocurrencies, proposed a different data structure called Tangle. This type of structure stores and uniquely manages numeric representations. It allows the Iota network to overcome Bitcoin's scalability issue by removing the topographical hurdles and typical limitations of using traditional blockchain. Like XRP, Iota's tokens are pre-mined, while its transactions are validated using Tangle, a decentralized acyclic graph, or DAG. DAGs are a new mathematical concept that is truly exciting when applied to existing blockchain tech. While some other blockchains can be considered DAGs, they don't have the same parallel system utilized by Iota. Unlike other blockchains, Iota's Tangle network transactions can be processed simultaneously. They aren't bound to follow a sequential order where unconfirmed transactions are stored in a queue. Additionally, Iota has been designed in such a way that as Tangle gets more nodes, the network will become more and more efficient and secure. Iota's system is proposed to be cheaper, more efficient, and less power-hungry than traditional blockchain-based systems, as Tangle doesn't require full-node miners. The World Bank defines a distributed ledger as a network of independent computers or nodes, where each node records, shares, and synchronizes transactions in their respective ledgers. Unlike traditional ledgers that store data at a central location, the distributed ledgers keep a piece of information related to a transaction such that no single node can have the full details. Now, blockchain technology organizes these disparate ledgers into blocks and chains them together, hence blockchain. Iota attempts to rectify some glaring issues facing the IoT and blockchain sectors. For one, it provides developers an alternative to blockchain networks for the programming of dApps. This diversification allows for a better distribution of information. In its current state, IoT data is very compartmentalized. There is very little exchange in the way of data sharing. However, Iota introduces standards and provides a reliable and affordable way for all of these devices to efficiently leverage other sensors in the network. This strategy opens the door for some amazing functionalities. Iota uses a non-sequential distributed ledger. It has built-in immutability, which is next to impossible to compromise, if not impossible. Once a transaction has been verified, it's impossible for the system or any external interference to roll the progress back and make any changes. And the more traffic the network has, the more secure it becomes. The network also uses cryptographic encryption for all the activity and interaction to discourage interference and keep your data and information as secure as possible. In 2016, the Iota Foundation acquired its investment fund and established business relations with potential investors. Developers focus on large corporations that are more interested in developing technologies for the IoT. Bosch and Cisco are interested in such technologies. Initially, industrial giants considered Ethereum as a platform for IoT. However, it turned out that it does not provide the functionality they need. Then they thought of collaborating with Hyperledger, but the platform did not suit them with their excessive closeness. Despite this experience, they still liked Iota so much that they invested in its development. In 2017, the Iota Foundation management announced plans to develop particular processors for IoT that could process thousands of transactions simultaneously. Microsoft has immediately become interested in this project. As soon as the company signed a cooperation agreement, the price of Iota increased by 44% in just a day. In December, the value reached a historic high of $5.69. In 2020, the price of Miota had two peaks, reaching 34 cents in February and rising to 40 cents in August. At the beginning of 2021, there was a reversal of the cryptocurrency market from a bullish trend to the bearish one, and as a result, a strong pullback of the Iota price to $1.50 to $2. At the time this video is uploaded, the price of Iota today is $1.11, with a 24-hour trading volume of $66,475,285. The current coin market cap ranking is number 49, with a live market cap of $3,087,225,876. It has a circulating supply of 2,779,530,283 Miota coins and a max supply of 2,779,530,283 Miota coins. With the Internet of Things becoming increasingly powerful, many crypto analysts foresee potential growth for the price of Miota. However, cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, and Miota is no different. So if you are considering adding the asset to your portfolio, it's important to do your own research to stay on top of the cryptocurrency trends. Discussing Iota's market sentiments, it is worth underlining that crypto experts and community participants are generally optimistic about the prognosis of Miota. According to most of the Iota price predictions by crypto experts and analysts, the short-term forecast is, in general, bullish. At the beginning of December, the price may be at the level of 72 cents. The expected maximum price is 90 cents, and the expected minimum is 72 cents. The average for the month is 80 cents. For the end of the month, the Iota price prediction is 80 cents. The change for December is 16.7%. In 2022, Miota's price might not change significantly. It might reach only $1.96. The Iota price prediction says that it will experience gradual growth. So in 2023, the future price of one Iota crypto token will be equal to $1.52. In 2024, Iota might be worth $1.41. According to the research, both the Iota project and IoT have a promising future. If the Iota network succeeds, the network can be worth approximately $220 billion. The rate can bounce up to 45%. These results can be visible by the end of 2035. IoT adoption could accelerate faster than expected as equipment and services costs continue to fall. According to the Iota technical analysis, experts advise investing in cryptocurrency now to get profit in 2 to 3 years, or later when the Internet of Things will become a genuinely massive phenomenon. The more people learn about the Internet of Things capabilities, the greater will be the need for Iota. As you probably already know, the demand for cryptocurrency determines its market capitalization. Now, let's find out the price prognosis of the Iota crypto coin in 2022, 2023, and 2025. Below, you can find our future long-term price forecasts for Iota based on the data provided by the Long Forecast Crypto Analytical Source. Iota is a unique cryptocurrency, and it has appeared to enhance the economic relationships between machines. It has introduced an amazing system that bridges the human and machine economies and has been deemed pleasant by many crypto experts. Iota is obviously a run-to for enthusiasts who intend to perform microtransactions and cannot afford high transaction fees. It is an alternative to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, even though its price fluctuates in the same way. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Iota altcoin? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.